Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to create Google Drive folder using only your mobile phone. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are connected in your Wi-Fi. And then after that, if you already have internet, kindly look for a Google Drive application. So if you don't have Google Drive application yet, you need to install it in Google Play Store. And then after that, once you already have this one, this is the Google Drive, you need to sign in using your Google account. Once you're done signing in, you already have this feature in your cell phone. You have the home, the stored, the shared, and the files. Now, if you want to create new Google Drive folder, there's a plus sign here on the right side portion. Okay, so click that plus sign, and then you have the option. So since we're going to create a new Google Drive folder, we just click this folder and then enter the folder name. Let's say, for example, sample folder. And then after that, click create. Now, once done, you will have the option here. You will be prompt in your files here. And then kindly look on your sample folder. This one, sample folder. Click that. And here you go. This is now your Google Drive folder wherein you're going to upload different files. So that's it for today. Goodbye and thank you.